Thank you very much for joining us today. I'm Tomohiro, founder and CEO of SkyDrive. I'm really happy to be here to share about the SkyDrive challenge and cooperation with Aero with Sean-san. So at first, let me introduce our company and the challenge, and then show some part and have a collaboration. So yeah, so in the beginning, I want you to show, see our aircraft flying models, three-seater model. We had 100 of flight tests last year, from very hot summer to very cold and snowy winter. And we have already started activity with JCAB and SAI. So next, please. So we started certification activity, Japan, JCAB, and US FAA for the last few years to complete certification in 2028. And next page. So now we have about 300 members in our team, and half of them are Japanese and half of them are international employees. And next page. And we have many leading Japanese companies shareholders from various industries and making eVTOL ecosystem together. Next page. And as you know, air mobility is gaining global attention with eVTOL aircraft at its core. Next page. And for example, FAA has already recently announced a plan to fast track advanced air mobility. Next page. And major milestone in the near term, eVTOL operation plan for LA 28.6. And we are advancing certification concurrently with both JCAB in Japan and FAA in the United States. And there are many eVTOL OEM, and especially in US, Joby Beta is very famous. And those three OEM has common spec like 16 type and 4 passengers. And SkyDrive has another approach to it. So our aircraft is aiming to take off and land as many ports or many places as possible. And
Founder and CEO of Aero Global. We've been around 5 years now. It's a real honor to be here today. This is our first real press conference, not only in the US, but worldwide. So we're happy to be here. I met Hero here about 3 years ago at JITEX for the first time, and they had their single seater on display, and it's been a lot of fun to watch their expansion and the growth in the three-seater that's come, and now to be able to have this relationship with them going forward is going to be a real boom to us. We have a bigger boom for them.